Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Honda CRV key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, which is perfect for gently prying open the fob. Make sure you have a new CR2032 coin cell battery ready. This is the standard size for many key fobs. Finally, a soft cloth can be very helpful to protect your key fob from any accidental scratches during the process. Let's get started. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located on the side or bottom edge of the fob. This is where we'll begin. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight, controlled twist of the screwdriver, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the casing. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, take a moment to observe how the old battery is oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob and test its functionality. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the buttons on your key fob. Press the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to ensure they are all working correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.